Yeah, but then he just kept turning around. I was like, what on earth is going on? But, sorry, yeah. But tomorrow, if I do come, today wasn't too fun because Louis didn't really want to go to the jump. Louis, oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Stop it. And there were just like two or more baby pigeons that just wouldn't shut up. And I don't think he really wanted to go. And plus, how long were we riding again? And we were also riding 40 minutes, so Louis might not want it to jump. Yeah, but then he just kept turning around. I was like, what on earth is going on? But, sorry, yeah. But tomorrow, if I do come, then we're probably going to just do the same thing. But I just want to hope that we're going to be in the outdoor or top school, because I still don't really like the lower school. That's annoying. Is there a moth? I don't like it. No moth. Oh, no. Is that dirt or moth? I'm not too sure. But if I clean it quicker, then I'm going to get out of here quicker. Oh, wait, I've got to eat. I just turned the saddle around because I don't want to go. Yeah, I know very well. Let's take the stirrup. Nice. I'm hungry. Can I get a toast after we get out? Or like anything to eat because I'm hungry. And Louis might also be quite hungry after the ride because he has no hay. He has no hay left. So nice. I'm bored because I don't like it. Oh no. And the trail thingy-majig is actually quite fun, except for the bit where Louis kept going wrong, where we kept going wrong. Yeah, but it was actually quite fun today, except those baby birds just wouldn't be quiet. But they were actually quite cute because I saw them. Yeah, they had a nest, I think, made out of shavings or hay or something. But I know it was like something involving horses, probably because they're like in a stable. Yeah, the course was actually quite fun. We did some poles. It was about 5 poles, but I was actually quite worried that Louis was gonna trip on them. Sorry. Yeah, but it was actually pretty fun. All right, and the course, it kind of looked like. No, it didn't kind of look like it. It looks like it. The course looks like. It's got 5 poles at the start, and then there's 1 pole, 2 poles, and then me and Louis just had to trot through, and then there was a zigzaggy thingy, and then we had to just ride through, and then I had to canter the way back, and then over and over again. It was actually getting quite boring. We did it. I finished playing. Why is there so much thingy-majigs in here? What did you do? No, what did this do? Can I do the splits? Oh no, I'm dirty now. It's okay. Oh no, I'm supposed to clean my tack with it, not my hands. I'm bored, I don't want to do this thing. Why can't we clean the tack once a year? That would be way easier. Once a year, in the middle of the year. When's the middle of the year? When is it? What day and what month? Tell me. Is May? Wait, no. Wait, there's 6. Wait, how does the start go? Oh wait, no, January. I forgot. June How many days has June got? I don't know. I'm bad at the months and math and the English, but I'm good at art. Yeah, I said that correct. An axolotl. Right, this is a random animal that came through my head. I'm a sheep. Yeah. I'm a burrito. I'm not a burrito. I'm a sheep. Bah. Olivia is a burrito, but I'm a bat. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. Because I thought of saying bat and I accidentally said bat instead of sheep. Hold up. My fingy. It hurts. Go again. Help me.
Help. Yes.
I'm bored. What? What do you mean? Yeah, but I'm not finished yet, duh. Wait. I can't leave this. Help me. Wait, where is the saddle cover?
Louie.
Oh, oh no. That didn't help at all. It just made more hair. I don't like it.
Get away from me.
No.
Get away.
Oh. Hold on. Wait, my leg is itchy. I'm bored. I don't know what I'm laughing at, so don't ask. I believe I can fly. Sorry, I just got that song from when I made a video. A video where Sammy, like the jump was like this big or something. It was like a cross pole, but at home. And then Sammy jumped like, I believe I can fly. They're way higher for him. And Sammy like up here or something like that. And then he jumped like this, and the jump was only like that big. And he's like, I believe I can fly.
Yeah, nice.
I finished. I have to get the saddle cover.
Louie. Hello. Hello.
That horse is ginormous. Is ginormous. I'm hungry. What? Oh yeah, and it barely did anything. Are those the doggies? They're like my dogs, Sammy and Maisie's. I mean dogs.
Yes.
They look Sammy and Maisie's. Even though they're beaver terriers, which are tiny dogs. Well, not actually tiny, they're just tiny. They're small dogs though, and they can make that much sound. Oh, and Sammy, he goes crazy when somebody's at the door. Yeah, I find him a bit stupid. Sometimes. Sometimes. Let me think of an example. Oh yeah, once one of my books fell, a horse book, of course. And then he started going to the door and barking. I was like, calm down, jeez, it's just a book. He was like, yeah, that's why I find him a tiny bit stupid. But he's only 1 year old. Oh, I'm gonna hurt. Why is that saddle so short? I'm laughing at everything. That horse is ginormous. I've got 2 saddle pads now. That didn't help at all. Why is it pink? Is this my bridle? Disgusting. And that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And I'm trying to post every week.